Everyone, Akshay here, and today I'm doing unboxing of this one of the most important thing and some of the best investment I've ever made this year. And this is one of the best programs in the world, and I got it shipped from USA like today. Like it took me like 4 or 5 days. It came all the way from US, from New York. Right now I'll be doing unboxing. Let's check out like what all things will be there here inside. Let's see how many guys are excited. Let's see, it's like pretty heavy, guys, and I hope it'll be like super awesome. Let's check out what's there inside. I'll keep this one here, and I've packed it so nicely. Wow, boom. So nice it is. You guys can check it. It's so heavy, guys, right now. Let's open, let's see what's inside. It's so nice. You guys can check it. Right now I'm opening. There are like 2 boxes. Let's see what's there inside. Awesome. Just a second. Wow. Just now, guys, right now I'll show you what all things I've got. You guys can check here. Like there are a couple of notebooks, all these things, and there is first alchemy notebook. Let's see what's here inside. I like the packing, guys. It's like super awesome. Let's check out what's there inside.